Welcome to Channel YouTube Indiramat, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're breaking down something totally mind-blowing today: how to take your raw, chaotic spreadsheets and transform them into a professional, fully functional software app without writing a single line of code. Honestly, if you've ever felt completely drowning in data, this is going to completely change how you look at a simple grid of rows and columns. So, picture this. You're finally ditching that dreaded, endlessly scrolling HR or sales spreadsheet. What if, instead of painstakingly updating cells manually, you instantly get this sleek, customized dashboard that basically does all the heavy lifting for you? Well, today we are looking at an AI app builder that does exactly that. It converts raw Google Sheets data into a fully fledged ERP or CRM dashboard in literally just a few clicks. Here is our roadmap for the Explainer today. First, from spreadsheets to software. Second, connecting your Google Sheets. Third, designing with AI prompts. Fourth, customizing your new dashboard. Fifth, setting roles and permissions. And finally, number 6, chatting with your data. All right, let's jump right into step 1. From spreadsheets to software. Basically, the messy data problem. We all know this pain, right? Managing complex operations across Google Sheets can turn into this overwhelming, tangled web super fast. Think about a school trying to manage students, teachers, and fee payments, or maybe a business handling HR records across 10, 20, or even an unlimited number of tabs. Since there's no native CRM or ERP functionality, you're stuck doing manual data entry. And let's be real, that is highly prone to human error, and it makes visualizing your key metrics a total nightmare. But as we'll see, pretty much any kind of Google Sheet can actually be mapped directly into a complete software system. Moving right along to step 2, connecting your Google Sheets. This is where we lay the blueprint. Getting started is almost too easy. You literally just copy the ID or the URL of your Google Sheet. Then, you drop it into the no-code AI App Builder's registration section, give it a name like HR System or maybe Pharmacy Medical System, and hit Save. After that, you just grab that sheet from a drop-down menu and click Analyze. That one single click sets the entire engine in motion. So what's actually happening under the hood when you hit Analyze? Well, the AI instantly reads the structure, the schema of your data. It scrubs through all the sheets, tables, and rows, picking out specific columns like usernames, passwords, and full names. It figures out exactly how all your information connects to each other, effectively doing the job of a database engineer in a fraction of a second. It's wild. Okay, step 3, designing with AI prompts. Let's let the AI do the heavy lifting. This is where it gets super cool. How do we actually write the complex software logic without coding? Forget about the old way of painstakingly configuring exact foreign keys and making tedious manual table connections. Now, you literally just click a button called AI Write Prompt. By hooking into free APIs from ChatGPT or Google Gemini, the AI analyzes your tables and schema diagrams and writes the full business logic for you instantly. If you don't want to map out the application manually, the AI is more than happy to do it for you. It generates this massive, comprehensive prompt detailing all your business roles and entities. It spits out text like, the HR management dashboard designed to transform Google Sheets into a comprehensive HR system. You just review that prompt, tweak it, or add anything you want, and once it looks good, you just hit Build App and Dashboard. Step 4, customizing your new dashboard. Time for the paint and furniture. So the app magically builds itself, and now you get to be the interior designer. In our source example, hitting Build prompted the AI to instantly spin up an interface with 14 tables and 9 widgets, all based entirely on the HR data. The platform uses this technology called SWR, which caches the loaded data right in your browser. This means you get lightning-fast performance as you're clicking around between your employee lists, calendar views, and Kanban boards. You can effortlessly build out custom pages, say a dedicated job or loan application dashboard. The AI can instantly generate things like a donut chart, filtering your candidates by leave status, showing maybe 45% approved, 35% pending, and 20% rejected, so you can visually grasp your entire pipeline in seconds. And you have total control to resize these KPI cards and map exact custom conditions to fit your specific workflow. And get this, the customization is so ridiculously deep that the AI can even generate specific print layouts for you. Imagine you've got this super complex employee leave request form. You just hit Design with AI, and the system detects the context in the backend and generates a complete, clean print interface sample. One click, and it's saved to your drafts. Step 5, setting roles and permissions, bringing in the security guards. Obviously, as your new CRM or ERP system scales up, locking down your data becomes absolutely vital. You can easily build this highly granular permission matrix for unlimited users. For example, you might want to create a custom role for your sales team that only gives them view access to a specific learning sheet, completely hiding the sensitive HR system from them. Or you could let an HR manager view and edit employee data, but totally revoke their ability to delete records. It is 100% customizable to your exact business hierarchy. And finally, step 6, chatting with your data. Basically, your own personal AI assistant. Even before you say a word to it, you can set up these brilliant smart automations to act as your assistant. You define the conditions, like the exact second a new row is added to the user sheet, trigger an email alert. The AI even helps you draft the email, letting you plug in dynamic fields, like the new user's name, right into the message. You can schedule these on multiple timelines and automatically route notifications based on specific user roles. But here is the absolute game changer: natural language chat. Because the AI knows your exact schema, you aren't just talking to some generic bot. You're talking directly to your data. You can just type a prompt into your dashboard, something like list any records that need attention, pending, overdue, unpaid, or low stock. The AI instantly scrubs your HR or learning sheets to find exactly what you're looking for and serves those matching records right up to you. This transition from a raw, messy URL link to a fully deployed, highly secure, AI chat-enabled dashboard is just wild. It completely removes the barrier to entry for building complex, powerful operational tools. Which leaves us with one final, very important question for your own day-to-day workflows. If AI can build, customize, and manage your ideal software in mere minutes, why are you still drowning in spreadsheets? It's time to go build something amazing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I really hope this sparks some fantastic ideas for your own data.